What is up, guys? And in this video, we are going to be looking at the new Animal Company update.
Something weird happened.
Let's do this. So, bag. Wait. Shotgun?
Can you help me do office?
We got the key card.
I don't know the office, so
Yo, come here.
this is my first time checking it out.
Just to
I'm going to get a shotgun.
it's really scary.
It's really scary. Let's find that out.
You hear some weird footsteps around.
Let's find out if this is really so scary.
Can I come with you?
According to that guy, it's very scary.
Hello?
Oh.
Guys, I'm going to get a shotgun, alright?
Okay.
He didn't die. He didn't die.
What's that?
Yo, guys. I like you.
What is that?
No, I'm going to get a shotgun. I don't know.
What is that? Someone please explain to me what that is. Please explain. What is this thing? Whoa. I'm not going that elevator yet. What are you? Can I like shut you up? Can I like I can.
Okay, he's dead.
Got a grenade for the next one. Why did I hear footsteps? I hear footsteps. I'm actually scared. That guy was right. That guy was right. I'm scared. Oh my god.
Oh,
Bro, can you please help me? I'm scared.
I'll help you. I got a gun.
Thank you. I'm scared. And my shotgun only has one ammo left, but I've got a bomb just in case.
Yo, give me your shotgun.
Why did I hear
Give me your
footsteps?
shotgun. Give me your shotgun.
Whoa. Look at that. It's only got one ammo in it, so
I'm
yeah.
at the double kill with this.
Who said that?
Okay.
I'm the guy.
I don't
I'm
trust
the tiger.
this guy.
Oh, the white tiger. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna cash out because I don't know how much this.
Here, can someone come to the vents with me? There's no one. The next spot! The next spot! I'm gonna go unlock everything. I got killed by the employee of the month.
Mind? What is this?
It changed the
What is
grapple
this?
sound
Please tell me if you
Yeah,
know.
it's cool now.
What is this thing?
Wait, was that yours?
Yeah, that was my bomb. But it's
Dude,
fine.
y'all just creepy as fuck. Turn them off
I don't like this.
if you don't have a grappler, no. I don't?
Oh.
Oh, let me
Oh, hell nah.
They patched it. Please tell me they didn't.
I ain't doing this.
Yes, they did patch it. Let's go.
Here, you
Oh,
can have
hell
this, bro. Nah. Bro, come here. Drop your walkie, use that, and we're gonna use our grapplers, alright?
Oh yes, please. Don't need that.
Oh, they changed up the mines.
Oh
That's
hell
something that
no!
they
What the hell was that?
I don't like this.
What's the news?
Oh, I see what's new.
Oh no!
Oh hell no!
I see him!
You see him? Oh my god! What the hell was that? Bro, that scared the living daylights out of me.
Me too!
What the hell was
Get
that?
him! I'm never doing that
Get
again.
out of here! I'm making
never
a
doing that
video, so If you like swear,
Please
can you
tell me they
please
brought
like not?
that big buff guy.
Oh hell no! What's that noise? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, he's right there.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
Get. Ugh. I hate this update so bad. Oh,
He's
there's no
here.
crystals? Wait, what? Excuse me?
Oh, nah, get in that elevator. Keep
There's
coming.
ducks. There's duck crystals.
Hey, the
Oh,
grandma's
get in the
not
elevator, bro. I'm scared.
Okay, fair enough. This is scary as hell.
We're going back.
Don't
I'm
let me
never coming here
do
again. I'm not dying.
I mean, not gonna lie, this is
no.
not bad. It sucks that there's
Right,
no mining
so
stuff
this is
there.
where we were
Well, I mean,
before.
like,
my
Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up with your thing.
I think they got rid of this. You like rock me down, bruh, now I can't.
Hopefully I don't get copyright
Oh, you
claims
come on
for
the
that.
broccoli?
Nah, this is scary as heck.
This
Don't
is
go over
scary
there,
as hell.
scary.
This is scary as hell.
Dude, I hate that they
Why is it
changed
closing?
everything.
Whoa, I like the new sounds.
That scared me so hard.
That's old. What the hell? Blow items or friends away can be attached to your back to generate population. What the hell is? You can buy them now with with research points. Not shredder. Instantly destroy items and store their value can be sold to redeem the stored value.
Bo, the office. I'm never going in
Bro,
again.
what is this pickaxe though? How do you get it? I want to know.
Wait, bro, the stairs. Come in, the stairs.
Buy the mega broccoli and the mini broccoli. Like, it saves going to the planetarium. Am I right? Am I right? It saves time going to the planetarium, and you can easily become giant. But should I get it? Yes. That sounds like a bad idea, but I'm doing it anyways. Oh, god
How do
damn
we
it.
get the banana?
How much are they?
Get the banana?
399 nuts, that's
Oh, yo.
actually not bad.
What do I do in this update?
So, that's actually
I just,
pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna become
Why is it an
giant, but I'm gonna fill a
I
bag
know.
with big
there. Let's go. I have an OG one. Let's go.
Broccolis.
God damn it. I have another OG thing.
What is that red pickaxe, I want to know?
It's a new
Monster
golden
here.
pickaxe. Did you want one?
Yo, come on, bro. Come on.
How do you
Let go,
get
let
a
go.
golden pickaxe?
You have to buy it. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it?
Wait, but
Wait,
I
is it
own
literally
golden-
just the gold
I
pickaxe
am
now?
Okay.
Bro,
Who wants to go with me?
Oh.
Who wants to go with me
Oh.
to the thing?
Oh, where'd my bag go?
Oh, where's the dog at? Where's
Can
the
I let-
dog?
I had it. No worries, I had it.
Oh.
Where's the
Yeah.
dog?
Yo,
Where's
this
the goddamn
yo,
dog?
bro.
My
Where's the
bag. Is this it? This is the bag with the broccoli.
What is that? What is
When
that? What
was
is
my
that?
broccoli?
Yes, bro, let's do it.
Yo, you wanna come check out the new place with me?
Yeah, but where are
Give me a
you?
gun,
Where
bro.
are you? Bro, come here, come here. Come here, let's go into a private code. Let's go into a private
You can
code.
give me a gutter, please.
Trading a rare pickaxe.
New pickaxe.
That's not
I
where.
don't know. I'm in the new update. It's
Let's
scary.
go to a private code. Alright, here, let me add you and you can join me.
I have a question. Where do you
sent you a
get the
friend
new
request.
pickaxe? Where do you get
There. I'm giant now. Easy as that. Don't even have to go to the planetarium. It's that easy. Although I did spend my research points, I do not care. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.